Hello, I'm Dr. Levent Peşkircioğlu. I'm a professor of Urology and Andrology, working over 30 years in this field. Andrology mainly deals with male fertility and sexual dysfunction. Today, I want to give a brief review on the reproductive problems caused by the male factor. We, as the andrologists, try to restore and heal the testicular function either with medications, some interventions, or surgical maneuvers. In cases with no spermatozoa, we try to find a spermatozoa in the testicle with a surgical procedure, what we call microtese. The main sexual function disorders that we face are premature or early ejaculation and erection problems. I will review the medical and surgical treatment methods in these problems, such as medications, shockwave treatment, stem cell applications, and finally, penile prosthetic surgery. Penile reconstruction and augmentation methods as thickening and lengthening procedures will also be discussed. We are expecting you all to attend our seminar on the 28th of May. Looking forward to see you soon.